Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and I hope tutorial that have been uploaded here, it will help you. And I believe that after watching this video, and I believe you can make your own. Alright, so before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sius Sarumaha. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So once you have time to visit Bali, it's open for international since October 24. All right, so you may check with your country if you are allowed to visit Bali. Well, today I'm going to recreate the design that have been questioned. So this is the final of design that I made, and the idea is coming. This case is coming, or the idea is coming from our friend who questioned about this type of fill in effect in Canva. She said that I can't manage to get it, so maybe she's been trying but she cannot make it. So but each time I present this video to our friend Maria Budhwani, so I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce your name well. All right, so I'm sorry. Okay, so she's a member of Canva Design Circle, and I'm encourage her right now that don't worry, that you can make it, and it's been tested that 100% Canva you can make it. So this is the final, yeah, this is the final of the design, and it's similar, yeah, it's similar like you shown on the Canva design. So I love to help, and I'm glad that I can answer your questions, and thanks God if I can be an answer for you for the case that you are asking for. All right, so this is the final design, and some options that I made already in here, but I'm going to let you know later on what is the element I use and how did I do this kind of design. Okay, so as I mentioned, I would like to let you know that by the time I'm using I'm doing these creations, I designed this. I'm Canva Pro, so if you are non-Canva Pro, I'm afraid you will not get this. All these element, because only Canva Pro that has access everything. You can access all elements in there, right? So if you are non-Canva Pro, please try to to upgrade, become pro, yeah, Canva Pro, so that you can practice yourself as through this design. Okay, so all these elements I will mention here is not hidden, everything will be shown in here. And to make it easy later on as well, all these elements I use in here, I will just put on the video description so that it's easy for you to copy paste when you are searching on Canva. Well, once again, if you like to get the Canva Pro, you can grab, or you can search. You just click on the video descriptions in there. I put the link over there. That link is official from Canva Pro, okay, because I'm partner of Canva Pro, so you can use that link. All right. Okay, so this is the element that I use on this design. I will just show you one by one. The first one is man lifting barbel. So this one is all these elements coming from Canva, and the second one is ornament pattern, and the third one is ornament snowflakes pattern, and number 4 is a blue full plate, and the fifth one is abstract shapes. Okay, so this is all the elements, around 5 elements over here that I use, and I'm going to use it later on, and after this I'm going to let you know how do I make this design. All right guys, so let's go to business, let's go work. Okay, so this is the image, yeah, I will get from here, yeah, to let you know that this is how do I make So the first thing is that you need to remove the background. Yeah, if you have a good speed internet, you will get a result of yeah, you will get a fast result background remover. So this is it. Okay, so I remove the background and I will apply. Now is that until now I believe that you can still follow me, but this is not it. This is not, okay, this is not the result. Okay, so we need to change this color, that one you will remove. So we need to go to edit image and do just adjust the image starting from bright. So slide this adjuster all the way forward 100, and then contrast all the way forward 100, and saturation all the way backward is minus 100. Okay, so once we get this, okay, we need to download. Okay, choose PNG, and then you need to check, okay, transparent background, and after that you will download it. Yeah, you may check which page is that. Okay, so once you get one is done, so you need to download. Make sure before you make this download everything is clear, otherwise all this element will go with when you download again. Okay, so once we did this one, we need to, okay, download and upload again. So because mine is already done, so I will just pick it up over here. I will just pick it up and I will just throw this one. Okay, so this one is already PNG. See, yeah, we can. Okay, so we go to edit image. What we're gonna do is to change this color again. Okay, because we cannot do one time, but we need to do twice. Okay, so we need to change this color become white. So we need to do the same thing again. So adjust brightness all the way forward and adjust contrast all the way forward. Okay, and saturation all the way backward. So now we get white color. Okay, so I think there's no problem here, and then I believe you will not question me until now because it's easy to follow, right? Okay, so I will just throw this one first, and then we go to the next step. Okay, once we get the white color, as I mentioned before, so we need to use these abstract, abstract shapes. Why we need this one? Why not other shapes? Because only these shapes work. Okay, I don't know why other shapes besides this does not work. Like for example, squares, triangles, and something like smooth shape. It doesn't work. Only this shape like blob, abstract, it works. And only the brown and brown color or dark brown, it works to remove. So we need, okay, so the things we're going to do with this one is we need to put on the top of this, okay, of this shape. Make sure this shape is already in color like this. And I believe when I search is I said there's a blob over here, it comes up. Yeah, so here, oh, I mean here, this is it. Yeah, abstract shape. So I didn't change the color, I just pick it up that one and I leave it like that. Okay, so we need to group it, okay, and then download again, and with PNG, make sure PNG and transparent, okay, and check which page is that. So this one is 4. Once done, you download it. But I'm not going through there anymore because I did mine already. So I will just show you the step about that. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I'm going to let you know this is the final. I mean, this is not the final. This is the result of what I mentioned just now. That after we upload again on this page, Okay, we need to go to edit image. Okay, and then remove. Okay, remove the foreground, the white one. We need to remove the white one. But in here, so this is the technique how to remove the foreground, because Canva doesn't have a foreground remover yet. They only have a background remover, and I do believe in the next future they will, yeah, they will have this one plug in the, what's that, foreground remover, so that it is easy, so that we will not do this step like this. But this is the secret, you know, this is the secret how to remove the foreground. So we need to, what's that, to change the color become white, and using this abstract shape or blob shape, and put on it, and then after that download and upload again. So to remove it, the foreground, you need to go to background remover, so that the white one will disappear, vanish in short time. Okay, so that's it, you know. Now as you can see, it works, right? Okay, so this is the way and the secret of how to remove the foreground. Okay, so okay, I'm not going there deep, but we need to go, I'm going to jump to the next step because that one is easy. Okay, now after we remove, okay, I didn't tell you, after we remove and then the foreground, we need to change this color. Why? Because later on we will remove again the background. So what we're gonna do is edit image, and then as we know, the secret is bright all the way forward, contrast all the way forward, and saturation all the way forward. Okay, once we get this one, we need to go to the next step. Okay, so that's the way how I get this white. Okay, so now because the foreground, okay, it's vanished, means that disappear and erased already, so we need to get this ornament. Okay, like I mentioned here before, this is the ornament, the name is ornament pattern. So I use it over here and I put underneath, and so I make it big, the size. So yes, I resize until it cover this this design. Okay, so I'll put it back. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is it. Okay, we need to put underneath, about under of this design. Okay, the one that we remove. And after that, we need to cover all this white color, the same color. So I use this blob again, I mean the shapes. Let me check this one. Yeah, this shape. So this one is recolorable, so you can change the color become white, so it's easy. Okay, so you just cover until until like this. So okay, so until you get until everything covered. Okay, so once you get this covered, okay, we need to group it. Yeah, we need to group everything. So you just press Ctrl A and then Ctrl Z. Okay, so group. Now what are we gonna do with this? After this, we almost done. Yeah, we almost there. So go again and download, change the format become PNG, and then check with page. Is this 1 2 3 4 5 6? So this is page 6, and then once you get it, download it. Okay, so because mine is done already, so I'm not going there anymore, but I will just go to the next step. Okay, to the next step. So this is it, and I'm going to upload here again. So what you're gonna do again is edit image. Yes, edit image. Okay, and remove background. See, so let's see how it works. Now it's totally work 100% Canva. You don't have to use another applications. Okay, yeah, out there we have applications, but I'm not going to mention it because I'm working in Canva. I'm not working with other application. Yes. Okay, so it works. Okay, so now I try with another. So I'm just going to erase this one. I've been trying with another element, another ornament, and this one, and I've erased them. Yeah, see, I've erased them, and I put I put even them, on the T-shirt as a mock-up. Okay, so this is it. All right. So until now, I believe that you guys can follow it and it's easy to understand. So once you have requests, or maybe your client is asking for this design, you can make it, and then you can rewatch again. So to get this white line is you can go to edit image again. Okay, just go to edit image. Okay, so and then shadows and grab glow. Okay, you just click over there and then click here and change the color, become white, and make sure all the blur all the way back. Okay, to make it strong white line over there, and then transparency all the way forward, and size you can arrange the size as you like. So that's the way how I get that white line over there. All right. Okay, so that's the way I did this design. And you may ask questions, why this why only brown color or chocolate color? Well, I don't know, but it works. If you try another color, you may try, it doesn't matter, but I've tried already. Some works, but not really good. But mostly it doesn't work if you change another color. But only this color, brown or dark brown, it works 100%. It works. Okay, and I don't know why only this color. And I believe, I remember that everyone is love chocolate. Okay, so even no matter what age you are, everyone love chocolate. And I believe this the owner of this Canva really loved chocolate. Now I know that she's she loves chocolate. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, I'm kidding. All right. So the owner of this Canva, we never talk. Okay, that's I assume only. I'm just joking. All right. So it doesn't matter. Okay. So when it works, so this is the way. You just follow, and then you will get a great result design. Okay. So this is mine. Mine is done. Okay. Yours is just the beginning, and this is the options, and over here, and then this is great. You can even print on design. Okay, so if this tutorial is helpful for you, please do subscribe and share to your friends who are looking for this tutorial. But if you don't like to get any notifications from this channel, please do not subscribe. It is fair, right? Okay, so once again, thank you very much, and see you again to the next tutorial. Bye bye.